Out there, share it, like, subscribe, and do what you have to do. Remember the book. Remember the book. BSB, Baba Shukube. My Life as a Boy in Jamaica. Go out there and get your copy. Do your thing. Yes, remember the book. Remember the book. It's on Amazon. The one that has my picture on it. Deal with that one. Forget about the yellow and black one. Simple as that. Straight as ABC. Okay. So my subject today is tour. Right now, people, this is Appleton Rum Tour. We're just a tour show. I got you and yeah, beautiful place. Have a look at the place. Have a look at the drink. Have a look at the people. Them Appleton Rum Tour. Right now, the place where rum born. Lovely place. In the middle of St. Bess. Yes, trust me. It's a lovely experience. I tell everybody when you touch Jamaica, you need to come to Appleton Rum Tour. See what's going on, how the rum were actually put together, process. How them brew the rum from a cane and all them stuff there. All the good things. I'm telling you, Appleton Rum Tour is good, man. Romeo, big up yourself, Romeo. Yes, yes, yes. We're there. Appleton Rum Tour to the world. Yeah, man, loving people. See the place, yeah. See the place there. Have a look. See the people them there. Yeah, man. Pure niceness. Whole of St. Bess. That's why I name St. Bess, because the Saint and the Bess. Can't play with it. Lovely place to be. Telling you, all the rum you want to drink, it's here. Just hand him your cup and him full it up. Just hand him your cup and him full it up. Trust me, this is the Appleton Rum Tour. Things are going, things are going. Yes, people. Bless up on yourself. Bless up. More love, more. Romeo, big up yourself. Show guy, yes. Marlon Barkley, yes, yes. Appleton Rum Tour. I'm telling you, people. Anybody who come to Jamaica and come here, so you're telling them to lose. This place too lovely for not to be. I'm telling you. Yeah, man. As I told you a million times, this is where God live. Yeah, this is the place where God live. All the good things happen right here in St. Bess. The best of all the saints in the whole Jamaica. So yes, loving people. Let's see what me I say now. Yeah, Marlon, bless up, Show Guy, Romeo, all of you guys. Bless up, bless up. So let's see what I go on. Angela Christie, big up yourself. Everybody. St. Bess is the best of all the saints. St. Mary, St. Thomas, St. James, St. this, St. that. But St. Bess is the best. St. Catherine, St. Anne, St. Mary, St. Thomas, Joan, big up yourself, Thompson. Yeah, man, Appleton Rum Tour. Appleton Rum Tour. Look at the beautiful rum and lovely people them. Look at the bottle of rum and everything. We'll show the world. I promote the stuff with a free. FOC. Look. Rum a flash out there. The man that number one waiter around town, you know, you skill you see. Bartender with me. Bartender. Yeah, man. Number one bartender. For real. Yeah. The man take your finger, flick it around and do it. Yes, bartender for me. Yeah, people, you know see what I go on here, so now make sure you don't come. You don't touch yard. Whenever time you touch yard, make sure you don't come here, so. Appleton. Yeah, man, the best place to be. But tell say this is where God live. If you come to Jamaica and don't get no vibes, you're really dead. Too much thing to enjoy. I tell you. This is where God live. Yeah, man. Bless up on yourself. Loving people. We see no, yeah, man, we get the glory. We are get the glory. We are get the glory. Yes. Yeah, man. More glory, more power, more blessing. This is so natural place, man. All the good things there. So this is where God live. I'm telling you. Yeah, send up the glory. Send it up. Send it up. Yeah. All the people who love the rum, send up it. Let me see you, man. Yes. What we say now? We have Marlon, Joan, Show Guy. Send the glory up there. But remember, drink responsibly because the man on the road, them mad out there, you know. You have some drive out there, them junk when they no junk. Yeah, man. So just make sure you drink the rum, but keep sane, keep sober. Yes, people, we're telling you, we're there, so funny. Bridget Murray, bless up yourself. Keep it straight, keep it real. Appleton Rum Tour, the place where rum were brew. And then build the rum, them, you know? Yeah, man. Jerry and him nephew. Yeah, man, trust me. Some people, more fire. More fire for real. How much money kill? Yes. Appleton Rum Tour. Place beautiful, man. Beautiful thing, beautiful vibes, beautiful scenery. Yeah, this is BSB again, right through the world, touring out through Appleton. The place where Jerry and his nephew create all the good things. We're gonna go and tour the place officially, because this is just in the lobby area. We're going to show you how the place is beautiful and things that you are missing. Yeah, man, I'm telling my people, this is just wonderful, man. Just wonderful. The rum tour we are talking about here, so send best to the world. Yes, people, yes. This is what Jamaica all about. All the good things, all the lovely things, beautiful sunshine. Place where boy, I tell you, if there was certain thing we don't left Jamaica about, just show some of the time. We have to go hunt the bread and come back. Yes. That place is so beautiful. It make you think twice sometimes whether or not if you risk and sacrifice your life flying over Atlantic, but you're going to go look bread. But you know it happens sometimes to the best way. And we know we go already, but trust me, this is the place where God live. Nothing sweet, so. Nothing sweet, so man. You got 20p in your pocket, you're good to go. Come up, show the love. Joanne Thompson, show the love. Marlon, bring show guy. Bridget, show the love. Show the love. You say one volume, show the love. Show the love all the St. Best people and we love St. Best too much. Show the love. Show the love. Yeah, man. Show the, you know the whole Jamaica, I don't know St. Best alone. The whole Jamaica sweet. Negril sweet can't done. Orchard sweet can't done. Mobile, Lord of mercy. And that's sugar spot that. Yeah, man. Kingston, love it up there. St. Catherine, about that talk. Show the love. Show the love. Yes, man. More love. Send in the heart, them heart of love. Send them in, yes. Come in with them. Love the love. We love it, yes. Bridget, yeah, we see you. We say we're up on the place where all the good things are going. Romeo, big up yourself, Romeo. Yeah. More love for the rum tour. More love for the BSB. More love for all the way. Yeah, man. Show the love same way, because I don't know. Things are run. Yes, people. Yes. We have to make use of everything. Right, yes, sir. You have to make use of everything, right, yes, sir. Yes, people, what I say. Remember, if you like, share and send it to a friend them, make a friend them know, and keep the good news on yourself. Spread out the good news. Make them know, say, whenever time they touch Jamaica, they have to come on the rum tour. They come and St. Best. Yeah, man. So spread it out. And a serious note in the people, I tell you, say, the vibe's right. The vibe's good. We don't hide it. Rum tour, we say. Yeah, man. Short little video we had to still tell you, say, we go on the tour to see how the rum was brewed, how they make the rum. Trust me. It's all good, all nice, all wonderful. And you find your boy BSB right now is here, giving out data what go on in my little world, in my circle. You understand? Because we're not left on out, you know. You don't have to see what go on, you don't have to hear what go on. You don't have to see what go on. Sunshine pretty outside, man. No cold and winter and freezing and miserable moment, just niceness. Bright sun smiling at you. As Marcus Garvey would say, I smile with the sun every morning. Well, now we understand what I mean when he say that. Are you hearing me clearly? Loving people now hear me clearly, I will not get disturbed by this background noise. Yeah, man. Yes. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Where are the bears? Where are the bears? We're not seeing you. Where are they? Loyal people, loyal friends. Where are you? Yeah, man. We're not happy for the glory. Well, just give it some glory. Show me some more heart. Because we know we're not true now, no heart and not fake like yesterday. We're not fake like some of the fakers, man. But give it some glory. Yeah, man, give it some glory and we know you're not glad for the move. We love the move and I really appreciate what I want. And I really know say from the heart I feel good about the move. Yes, people, I want to be attacked. Yes, big up on yourself, bless up on yourself. Bless up on yourself. We are at Appleton Estate right now with the rum tour. We're going to tour the rum. I'll tour the rum, trust me. I'm going to show you the whole place. In a short while, I'm going to show you everywhere. Yeah, man, keep on sharing. I see that. Share it up. Share it up. Share it up. Send it out there. Same way, don't stop. Sister Nicola, what you say? Bridget, what you say? Joanne, what you say? Marlon. Yeah, man, show guy. Let it go, let it go. Let it go. Romeo. Yes. I tell you people. It's good to be good. See for yourself. See for yourself. See the founder there? It's a January on the wall. Yeah, man. People, I tell you, when I tour the factory, this is what you call RT, rum tour. So I don't like the vibes. I don't really like the wagwan. Remember this, don't forget, whenever time you come to Jamaica, just remember say, St. Bess is the place to be. No gunshot and bust down here. No rape it and go on. No madness and go on here so. One way in and one way out. To try anything, you go back out dead. So the criminal them know better. Them not really try nothing. But the whole escape zone then I get to know they can't come through. People, I tell you, you're safe with that so you can sleep with your door open here. Nobody not busy with you apart from few man. I beg you to change. And a few suffer out there, I beg you something. Tell us you know 82 months now. Otherwise it's good. Yeah, people, yeah. Straight up. We're there on it, man. We're there here. Want to see the number climb, you know. We want to see the number climb. The number 2 a little bit now, man. We want to see 30,000 people. Yeah. We want to see 30,000 people now share and like and send it through. Yes, people. Yeah, number grow. Go and grow. You want water, Dan? Virgin, give her some water now, please.
Are you just single?
Yeah.
Doesn't have the soup.
Yes, people, yes, we're there, so we're there, so. Show guy, on the rum tour, the SB to the world. Yep, rum tour time. Mm. Yes, people, yes. Yeah, Mark, big up yourself, my brother. Big up yourself, Mark. Keep it real. Yes, Bridget, I tell you, the place nice, man. We're not hiding. You see, life is all about enjoying your life to the best of your ability, you know. Yes, people. Right now, we are going to I don't want no more. I drive. I drive. Yeah. The rum are too strong for me. Alright. Yes, we are. Liquor rum tour. Yes, people, yes. Yes, people. We're gonna start the tour now and I'm gonna show you what it is going on around here. These are some of the great people who make it possible for you to get the rum. That's what they tell us. Yeah, rum tour. Right around the world. These are the powerful Appleton. This is Joy. What I do, man, who process the rum. You know, they are there. Lovely people, them. Yeah. They are the taster for the rum. Taste the rum and approve it. If you're ready to come in your house. Yes, Mr. John Ray and him brother, I love you. Big and serious. Touring the world. Yes. This is a map of Jamaica. Have a look at it. Map of Jamaica, beautiful Jamaica. Yeah, look there, rum tour. Pretty thing on the wall. Yeah. Yes, people. This is the gift shop. That's the gift shop where them sell all the lovely stuff. Them. Anything you want to buy, a souvenir, which you have to buy some carry home for the rest of the folks who is behind. Yeah, this is Appleton Rum Tour. Lovely souvenir. Souvenirs. Yeah. So now see it now. Beautiful place. Beautiful souvenir rum. We are rum people. The advert, we are rum people. Some nice lady I walk through, strong and beautiful. Yes, everybody happy, having fun. I said London no good again. Yes, people. Place nice and clean and look good. You don't lie. You know, so me talk with me already. Place look good, man. All the bathroom, you don't have to touch nothing. Everything is just done for you. Sensor wise. Yeah. These are the machines that they cut the cane back in the days. Yeah. These are the machines used to cut the cane. These are one of the things when they take and beat, squeeze out the juice. Coconut bar and a lantern back in the days. Look, all of the equipment that contribute to the rum that come in your house. So you can have a sip with all of them. This is the one that these pots are where they store the rum in, process them from there. Little mallet here. Everything there. Everything. So we say we are doing it, we are doing it, we are doing it. We are showing a beautiful place. Lovely people. Now see it? Yes. Beautiful giant. Yes, boss. Beautiful giant and thing. Now this is the restaurant area. Everybody is filling up their system. Beautiful. Beautiful place. Veranda. Lovely rum tour. Look, rum, let's see rum the people. Have a look. Rum in cages. 210-year-old rum, you can imagine. Yes. Rum, Appleton Estate. Rum tour. Okay. Yeah. These are some of the old time things that we use. These are the buckles that rum used to be in before they get to our modern buckles. Look, these are the kind of buckles they used to buckle in. Yes. Yeah man, all these containers are buckles and container carry rum to process back in the days. What else again? What else again? What else now? Let me see now. Right out here is the garden. The garden over there is the canteen. If you want food, you can go and buy food. And chill out. It's a chill out spot. And we are just touring Appleton Estate rum tour. That's what we're saying. Look, this is a big wonderful garden. Lovely animal, small swamp. They keep fish in. Yes. Oh. Yeah?
Yeah, no, we're only waiting for a tour guide. He called us from that room and said to wait over there.
Was there? Well, the guys doing the tour yet?
No, we're about to do tour. Oh, you don't want to buy him?
That side for the tour.
You don't want to buy him?
Yeah, we're going that side for the tour.
Alright.
We'll come exit the...
Alright. Well, see there. We just have to show another place and we're gonna go through. Are you making trouble? Okay. You're good somebody, man. You're not making trouble. Yeah, me I say too. So there are some people. Yes, people, yes. Rum tour, we say. Rum tour, we're gonna show them the whole garden. Yeah, this is it. Yes. Ready, boss? I'm saying ready, so I could go tour now.
Alright,
I could go tour now.
gentlemen, are you ready? We're just fixing on.
So we're ready now. So we're ready when you're ready.
Alright, good. So let me just welcome everyone once more, and you can take pictures.
Yes.
You can't video the internet.
Just picture. Alright.
Alright, so
then
my
what
name
we
is
have?
Theon. I'm your tour guide. Just feel
Then give me a chance to video it a little bit. Never forget where they come from. Beautiful place. Lovely place. Yeah. Wait till we're there now, so. Kind of darkish. The peak rum tour.
It's passion that makes us dance to our own beat and sing in harmony. Our pulse has a vibrant energy that gets channeled into everything we do. Just like a great song, rum is the culmination of many things done in the right tempo. A chorus of determination, pride, and a whole lot of unbridled joy. Guitar string can travel deep into your soul. It speaks a universal language that connects us all. To understand the beat by which our island thrives is to know the song of the slow churn of molasses and to hear the island calling you back. The spirit that drives Jamaican excellence is present every time you take that exquisite sip of rum. Rum is an alcoholic spirit made from sugarcane byproducts such as molasses, or directly from sugarcane juice by a process of fermentation and distillation. The result is the elegant symphony of flavors right there in your glass. Unlike other spirits, rum is diverse and unique, just like the countries that produce it. Each region has their own specific style and flavor depending on how the rum is crafted. Here at Appleton Estate, we make only premium gold rum, aged in American oak barrels that once held bourbon. As rum ages, it not only darkens but gains complexity and flavor. Our portfolio is expansive and includes our signature blend, perfect for making simple cocktails, as well as our older rum, reserve blend, rare blend 12-year-old, and 21-year-old. Some of our rums are so old and rare, they're almost priceless, like our 50-year-old, which is the oldest barrel-aged rum on earth. Although we've been making rum in Jamaica for centuries, that doesn't mean we were the very first. The history of rum is as old and rich as the sugar it's made from. In the 15th century, sugar was a precious commodity in Europe and could only be afforded by the very wealthy. Its demand was further fueled by its scarcity, as it was very hard to find the perfect environment where sugarcane could thrive. But on his second voyage to the New World, Columbus brought sugarcane.
Out there, share it, like, subscribe, and do what you have to do. Remember the book. Remember the book. DSB, Baba Shikobe. My Life as a Boy in Jamaica. Go out there and get your copy. Do your thing. Yes, remember the book. Remember the book. It's on Amazon. The one that has my picture on it. Deal with that one. Forget about the yellow and black one. Simple as that. Straight as ABC. Okay. So my subject today is